Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Très bien, oui. D'accord, très bien.
Ça va bien, merci.
Très bien.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Moi aussi, ça va bien, Vihan? Très bien, très bien. D'accord. Donc, in the previous class, we learned les accents. Oui? Les accents? Oui? We learned les accents, right?
Yes. D'accord.
Oui, not oi, oui. Which all accents we learned? How many accents we learned in the previous class? Two accents. We learned two accents. Laxo aigu, a laxo grave. Laxo aigu, a laxo. D'accord. Laxo aigu ou a laxo grave. 4B. D'accord. So you remember laxo aigu and laxo grave? Amen, yes?
Other classes coming
Other classes joining? How come?
for
4B.
C.
Only one student, right? Only one student?
Ma'am, one student joined and left, and
Ma'am, for students.
No.
For
4B. Today, 4B is having the session. Okay. D'accord.
for
Please,
C,
everyone,
students
keep your cameras on. Please keep your camera on. Yeah. Abdil, today 4B is having session. 4B. Now 4B is having session. Let him. D'accord. Très bien. Everyone, please keep your cameras on. Sanjal, Ahian, Abdiel, Anton, everyone. Don Martin, everyone, keep your camera on. Before I go to the next accent, I'll quickly explain. Yes, I'll just quickly brief l'accent aigu and l'accent grave that we learned in the previous class. Donc, the l'accent, les accents means the accent, and in French we have total 5 French accents. The first one we learned was l'accent aigu. L'accent aigu symbol is like this, one small line like this symbol, and you will be able to see l'accent aigu symbol only with letter E, like this. And when l'accent aigu will come, pronunciation of l'accent E, which is yuh, will change to A. Will change to A. Example, we learned, and I also I sent to everyone's WhatsApp group. You might have seen the examples. More example I gave to you. Okay. Donc, did you practice with those examples? Odo, did you practice, everyone?
Yes.
D'accord. Très bien.
D'accord.
Call. First one was a call. Répétez s'il vous plaît.
École.
Ensuite, l'autre exemple c'est fille. Ensuite, l'autre exemple, baby. L'autre exemple, 80. L'autre exemple,
Zero.
It is not elephant. Elephant. I heard few were saying elephant. It is not elephant. Elephant. 2 times. Très bien. D'accord. So this was laxo aigu. Now, maintenant, laxo grave. Laxo grave symbol is like this, opposite direction. You will be able to see laxo grave along with letters A, E, and U. Laxo grave. And along with the letter E, when laxo grave will come, pronunciation will be A, as in English alphabet letter A. A pronunciation. Exemple en français. Mère. 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 Père. Père. Autre exemple. Frère. It is not frère. I could hear people were saying frère. It is not frère. Frère. D'accord. Très bien. D'accord. After that, along with letter A and U, there won't be any change in pronunciation. Letter A and U will not have any change in pronunciation. It will be only A and U. A, U. Same pronunciation. There won't be any change. Now we are going to learn new accent, third one. Now I am going to mute everyone. Third accent. Bihan, do you have any doubt? That's why you clicked on hand raise button. If you don't have any doubt, just remove it. D'accord. D'accord. Troisième accent, c'est l'accent circonflexe. L'accent, A-C-C-E-N-T. L'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe, c'est l'accent circonflexe. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. L'accent circonflexe. Répéter means to repeat. Répéter means to repeat. Yes, Paurnami.
Ma'am, right?
No. See, you don't have to ask every time whether whatever I'm going to write, you don't have to ask right. If note is there, I will surely send it to you. And then otherwise I will tell you, please do write in your note. Like that I will tell. Otherwise you don't have to write. If you want to write, copy down any lecture notes, you can write in your round. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Kailas, yes, Kailas is want to say something. Kailas Nath.
What is lesson circon?
That I am going to explain. Don't jump. Okay, please remove that hand raise symbols. Laxo circonflex. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Répétez means to repeat. Paurnami, they remove that hand raise symbol. Laxo circonflex. Répétez. Laxo circonflex. See the symbol? Symbol of laxo circonflex is like this. One small cap-like symbol. Laxo circonflex. Now, you will be able to see laxo circonflex along with letters, vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Laxo circonflex you will be able to see only with all the vowel letters. And laxo circonflex comes, when it comes, it doesn't make any change in pronunciation. Only with letter E, yuh pronunciation will change to A. Only with letter E, yuh pronunciation will change to A. Other than that, it will not give any change in pronunciation. These letters won't make any change in the pronunciation. Laxo circonflex. Then you might have think, why are we putting this laxo circonflex? What is the purpose? So that means whenever you will be able to see laxo circonflex in a word, after that you will be able to see the historical presence. It is to show the historical presence of letter S. After that, in the meaning, in English word, you will be able to see the presence of yes. In English word, you will be able to see the presence of yes. It is just for that. Example, I'm going to show you, then you will understand it more better way. You will understand. Example, I will write one word on the board. Try to guess the meaning. Try to guess the meaning of that word in English. Everyone, please do try to guess the meaning. The word in French is this: foray. If you are able to find the meaning, able to find the word in English, please do click on the hand raise button. Okay, Bihan, raise first. Yes, Bihan.
Fort.
Pardon?
Fort.
Not fort. Foray is the word. I told you will be able to feel the historical presence of letter S after that particular letter.
Forest.
Yes,
ma'am.
Michelle.
Forest.
Très bien, Michelle. C'est forêt. C'est forest.
Forest.
F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Now see everyone. Look everyone. Where can you see in this particular word? Where can you see laxo circumflex? Laxo circumflex you can see on letter E. On letter E. So in the English word after letter E you will be able to see S. In English word after E you will be able to see S. That's it. Simple. But it doesn't mean when laxo circumflex, when you see laxo circumflex, you have to pronounce yes or you have to insert yes. Nothing like that. In French, foray. Pronunciation of this word is foray. Foray. Foray is the pronunciation of this word. Foray. F-O-R-E-S-T is foray. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Foray. Foray. Now, please, everyone, remove your hand raise symbol from there. I'm going to give you another word. Please remove that hand raise symbol from there. Lin, oui, d'accord, très bien. Now, another word I'm going to give you. Please try to guess the English word. D'accord. If you are able to find the word, please click on hand raise symbol. Amen first. Amen.
Hotel.
A hotel. It is hotel. Très bien. Other than hotel, any other meaning? Anyone can find any other meaning? Hotel is right. Amen. Any other meaning? Yes. Lin. Yes, Lin. Lin, unmute.
Factory.
Lin, dear, unmute, Lin. Lin is not able to unmute. Any other person can find any other meaning? Yes. Nandana.
Hotel.
Once again.
Hotel, ma'am.
Hotel is written already
Hotel.
here. Other than that.
Ma'am, hotel, ma'am.
Hotel.
No, hotel is already written here. Hotel is hotel. Already, Amen told the answer. Other than that, you are able to, Navneet, other than hotel.
Hostel.
Trebia. Trebia, Navneet. Say hostel. H-O-S-T-E-L. Both are same. Hotel. This word is having the meaning hotel, hotel and hostel. In French, we will read hotel. Hotel. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Hotel.
Hotel.
Répétez. Hotel.
Hotel.
Oui, hotel means hotel. Hostel. The word hotel and hostel is having same meaning in French. Why? Because the word hotel came from the word hostel. Word hotel came from the word hostel. Well, what is hostel? The place where we will get food and accommodation. Hotel also same thing, place where we will get food and accommodation. Okay, so hotel in French is having two meanings. It means hostel and hotel. D'accord? See which alphabet is having laxo circumflex here? Which alphabet is having a laxo circumflex? O is having laxo circumflex. So in the English word, you will be able to see S after that. S after that. See? Hotel. I am not saying hostel here. For the pronunciation is not hostel. It is hotel. It doesn't mean you have when laxo circumflex is there. It doesn't mean you have to pronounce yes there. No, nothing like that. Hotel. L'autre example, I'm going to give you another example. Please, everyone remove that hand raise symbol from there. Another word I'm going to give you. D'accord? Très bien. L'autre exemple. Okay, Lynn. Lynn. Yes, Lynn. Oui, Lynn.
Ma'am, can I say?
No. I called Lynn. I called Lynn. Didn't I mute everyone? Lynn, unmute dear. I don't know why he is not able to unmute. I am permitting you to unmute, but I don't know why. Lynn, I want to give Lynn chance. Wait, I am going to unmute everyone. Yes, Lynn, unmute. Only Lynn. Yes. Unmute and say. Come on.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, the horse.
Wait. Lynn, yes, you can say. What is the word?
lesson.
Okay, Lynn is quiet.
Lesson.
Yes, what is the word? Tell me.
Hospital.
Hospital. Trebia. Say
Hospital.
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 Say hospital. Say hospital. I muted everyone. Hospital. Sorry, here we are having this accent. Here we are having the laxocircumflex. Hospital. So O is here in the French word. O is having laxocircumflex. In English, you can see after O there is S. Now another word I'm going to give. Another word. Yeah. D'accord. Yes. Those who got the word, just click on hand raise button. Eva. Yes, Eva. Eva. What is that? Eva is not saying anything. Navneet. Navneet, tell me. Unmute.
Ma'am, is it festival?
Yes, that's right. Festival. And in short, what will we say in short other than festival? Come on, we can say. That's right. Trebia, Navneet. Fest. Fest is meaning is fest, and another meaning is feast. Another meaning is feast, and in English we'll call another meaning party. So fest is having three meanings: fest, feast, or party. See, E is having laxocircumflex here. After E, you will be able to see S in English. Now, please do repeat after me, everyone. Foray. Foray. Everyone, please do repeat. Foray. Hotel. Hospital. Fête. Foray. Hotel. Hospital. Fête. Okay, now we learn these words. Now, another thing. Let me clear everything. Okay, now when I pronounced hotel and hospital, did you find any mistake there? Hotel, hospital. Hotel, hospital. Did you find any mistake in my pronunciation? Hotel, hospital. Any mistake in my pronunciation? Vihan. Yes, Vihan. Oui. Tell me.
You did not pronounce H.
Oui, Trebia. Trebia, I didn't pronounce H. In these two words, I didn't pronounce H. Hotel, hospital. Why? There is H here at the beginning, but I didn't pronounce it. That is because in French, listen everyone. That is because, please, Eva Jolie, please don't play with that stickers. Listen properly. Keep your book aside. Everyone keep your textbooks aside. You don't have to open it. Okay, I didn't pronounce here. Hotel, H is silent here. Eva, please keep your camera on. Yeah, I didn't pronounce here H. H is silent. That is because in French, if your word is beginning with letter H, then H will be silent. In French, if your word is beginning with letter H, then H will be silent. D'accord? H will be silent if it is coming at the beginning. And we will consider H as a vowel letter if it is coming at the beginning. We will consider H as a vowel letter only if it's coming at the beginning. Otherwise, H is not a vowel letter. Only if H is coming at the beginning, we will consider H as a vowel letter. So don't go and tell everyone, ma'am told in French we have H is also a vowel letter. No, H is not a vowel letter. Only 5 vowel letters are the A, E, I, O, U. That's it. But if H is coming at the beginning, H will be silent and we will consider H as a vowel letter. That's it. H is not a vowel letter. Only if H is coming at the beginning of a word, then only H will be considered as a vowel letter. I hope this is clear. Now, one more mistake is there when I read these two words. Hotel. Hospital. One more mistake. Hotel. Hospital. Yes, Vihan. What is another mistake?
You pronounced L and it's not a vowel letter.
Trebia, Vihan. Vihan, Trebia, you can mute. Here, I pronounce the L at the end. Hotel, hospital. I am pronouncing L. But you remember, I told you one rule that in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, that letter will be silent. Remember, I told you that rule. See, L, the word is ending with L. L is a vowel letter or consonant letter? L is a consonant letter. L is a consonant letter. So here L should be silent. But I am pronouncing L. Hotel, hospital. Okay. So there are exceptional cases. That is why there are we're sorry, children, we are having a failure here. Someone is sharing the screen. Please don't share the screen. Stop sharing. Please stop sharing the screen. Aryan, you are sharing the screen. Aryan, stop sharing. Aryan, stop sharing. Aryan, stop sharing it. Dakon, Trebia. So yes, I was explaining Laxon, circumflex. Laxon circumflex, you will be able to see only with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U that I told. Okay, L will be silent according to the hostel, hotel, hospital. Okay, hotel, hospital, L should be silent, but here L is not silent. That is because there are exceptional cases. I told you that rule that if your word is ending with a consonant letter, that will be silent. But here L is a consonant letter, right? But still I am pronouncing L, hospital, hotel. That is because there are exceptional cases also. That rule I gave you because it is applicable to most of the words in French. In most of the words, please do listen, stop playing. In most of the French words, it is like that. If your word is ending with a consonant letter, that letter will be silent. But there are many words, few words like this, where we will pronounce L or we will pronounce consonant letters even though if it is ending with it. Okay, so there are cases like that. But mostly, to make it easy, I will tell you, mostly the words, if it is ending with consonant letter, will be silent. It is for you to practice easily. Pronunciation is easily. That is just for that. Okay. Hotel, hospital are few of them. Here we are pronouncing that L. Hotel, hospital. Now, if you have any doubts regarding these lax or circumflex, you can click on your hand raise button. If you have any doubt, please click on hand raise button. Okay, Ahyan is having doubt. Ahyan. Please, others, everyone, please keep your cameras on. Muhammad, Farzan, yes, Vishnu, everyone keep your camera on. No doubts? Okay, no one is having doubt. I hope this much is clear for you. Laxocircumflex, laxoague, laxograph. This much is clear for you. We'll practice the words after some time. Just let me quickly take the attendance first. Now I'm going to unmute everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
We. Again, no responses. Dakko, I'm going to take the attendance. Please do respond in French itself.
Dakko, ma'am.
Dakko, madam. Dakko, madam. Not okay.
Dakko,
Dakko, madam.
Dakko, madam.
Dakko. Muhammad Fadil. Fadil.
Present down.
Fadil Presson. Dear, you were absent for the few of the classes. Many classes you were absent, right? Did you see the recorded class videos of those classes? We? Okay. Now onwards, please try to come and attend all the classes. D'accord? D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Adidev. Adidev VKS. Absent. Anne Pavira.
Present, ma'am.
Arav.
Autism, sweet.
Arav Presson. Aryan.
Present, madam.
Abel Verghese. Presson. Aditya.
Abso.
Okay. D'accord. Abel absent. D'accord. Aditya. Absent. Adityan. Others, please everyone mute yourself. Others, everyone please mute because I am not able to hear the responses. Adityan Presson. Ensuite, Ahyan.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of home sweet?
Yes. Wait. I will write these words once again.
And time is up. Time's up.
Time is up? No, we have the time till 10:30.
Six.
D'accord. Foray. Please do repeat everyone. Foray. Foray. Hotel. No, H will be silent. Hotel. Here also H will be silent. Hospital. Fête. Once again. Foray. Hotel. Hospital. Please do repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Foray. Hotel. Still I can hear pronunciation of H somewhere. Please, H will be silent. Hotel. Hospital. Pet. Once again. Foray. Hotel. O sound. Think that it is not there. It is not there. Hotel.
is left and joined.
Pet. Trebia.
Te.
Now I am muting everyone. Paurnami, unmute and read these words.
Hotel.
From the beginning, dear.
Forest.
No, see, it is not forest in English. It is not English class. French, how will you read? Forêt. We, after that,
Hotel.
we.
Hotel.
Oh, and Pavira, can you mute yourself? Once again, Paurnami, read.
Forest.
We.
Hotel.
No, what did I told you? H will be silent. If it is coming at the beginning, H will be silent. So how will you read? Hotel.
Hotel.
Oui. Ensuite,
Hospital.
très bien. Ensuite, fête.
Fête.
Oui, d'accord. Everyone, please do practice. I will call. Please do practice, everyone. Ensuite, say, Sanjal. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Ma'am. Ma'am.